This tutorial guides you through setting up and running the Events iScraper on the Apify platform. You will learn how to configure scraper settings, start the scraper, and export the extracted data. Click here to find the Apify actor. Enter the name to search. Click the Try It Now button to begin your free trial on Apify. Click the Events iScraper listing to view its details and features. Click the Try for Free button to start using the Events iScraper without cost. Switch to the console.apify.com tab to access the scraper's control panel. Click here to expand the Industry Selection drop-down menu. Click here to expand the Region Selection drop-down menu. Click here to open the Country Selection drop-down menu. Click City to filter events by specific cities. Enter the city name in the Filter field to narrow down events to the city. Click Maximum Exhibitions to specify the upper limit of events to scrape. Click Save Start to apply your settings and launch the scraper. Click Overview to see the main summary of the scraper run. Click Detailed View to examine detailed information about the scraper run. Click All Fields to view all data points collected in this run. Click IITF India International Trade Fair to view details of this event. Click JSON to see the scraper data in JSON format. Click Table to display the data in a tabular format. Click Export to access options for downloading the scraped data. Click CSV to export the data in comma-separated values format. Click XML to download the data in XML format. Click Excel to export the data as an Excel spreadsheet. Click here to open the export menu for additional options. Click here to open the dialog for downloading the exported data. Click Download to save the exported data file to your device.